Hey everybody, Dr. Wesselcouch here with another Math in Minecraft episode. Today, we're gonna have more of a challenge. It's gonna sound easy, but the solution is actually gonna be a little bit tricky. So let's take a look at it. So the challenge is, can you go from the square in the bottom left to the square with the cake, moving only north, south, east, or west? And the rule is you have to land on each square exactly once. Is this possible? And if it's not possible, explain why. All right, so let's just try to see if we can make it work. So we have to start in this first square. So maybe next we'll go here. And then we could go either to this square or this square. We're not allowed to go diagonal, and we can't go back to where we started. So maybe let's go here. And again, we could go in this direction or this direction. We can't go backwards. So let's try here. And maybe we go to this one and this one. Maybe here. Well, we're eventually going to have to get this square, so let's get this one now. Maybe here. Maybe here. Okay, and next we'd have to go here was our only option. But now we have two choices. We could go up or we could go to the right. Let's say we go up, then we have to go here. Well, if we go straight, we could eventually get to the cake, but we had to get this light first. And now we're stuck. We can't go anywhere. So this was a failed attempt. So I want you to pause the video and take out a piece of paper and draw yourself a 4x4 checkerboard and see if you could find a path to go from the bottom left corner to the top right corner, hitting each square exactly once. And let me know in the comments if you had any luck. Well, if you tried, I'm sure you didn't have much luck. And the reason why is because, in fact, it's impossible. So sorry for putting you on an impossible task, but let me explain to you why. Let's call the first square, square 1. And each time we take a step, the next square would be 2 and 3 and so forth. Our challenge is to make square 16 the cake square. And now notice, square 1 is a white square. And no matter where we go, square 2 is going to be a black square. So let's turn that light on, and we'll turn this light on. Our third step has to be a white square. And our fourth step has to be a black square. We want the cake square here to be square 16. But we saw all of the white squares correspond to odd numbers. And all of the black squares correspond to even numbers. So there is no way to make the cake square, which is white, correspond to an even number. It's always going to be an odd number. And that's why, unfortunately, there's no path to the cake here. So what I want you to tell me is, for what dimensions of a checkerboard can you succeed and get to the cake? Can you do it with 3x3? Can you do it with 6x6? What about 5x4? When is it possible? When is it not? Well, thanks for watching. I had a lot of fun. Hopefully next time we'll be able to get the cake and eat it too. All right, bye-bye.